Is your iQIYI app not working currently? Well, there are some things that might be affecting your iQIYI application, like your internet connection. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a network before using the application. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network that is actually working. And if you don't have any internet problems, you'll be able to log in into the web. You'll be able to log in into the application. However, if there are still problems, you can navigate yourself to the iQIYI app over here. Tap and hold on to the app and click on app info. After that, you want to click on storage and cache, and here you'll see two options called clear cache and clear storage. You want to clear both of them from here, and by doing so, the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, it might be that it's your device's fault and not the app itself. So restart your device once and try to open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.